As France's relations with the United States take an uncertain turn, French President Emmanuel Macron called up Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and discussed the Indo-Pacific cooperation between the two countries. According to a press release issued by the French government, the two leaders reaffirmed their common will to act jointly in an open and inclusive Indo-Pacific area within the framework of the Euro-Indian relationship. France said that this approach aims to promote regional stability and the rule of law, while ruling out any form of hegemony. During the phone call, Macron recalled France's commitment to contribute to strengthening India's strategic autonomy, including its industrial and technological base, all of this within the framework of a close relationship, the one based on trust and mutual respect between strategic partners. The India-France talks coming at a very interesting time. France is currently locked in a diplomatic tussle with the US, Australia and the UK over the AUKUS agreement. The AUKUS deal is a strategic trilateral between the three countries where the US will be providing 8 nuclear-powered submarines to Australia in a bid to strengthen their naval power in the Indo-Pacific and to counter China's growing influence. Just a few hours before the AUKUS deal was announced, Australia cancelled a multi-billion-dollar submarine deal with France, resulting in anger and frustration from Paris. France even called this deal a stab in the back and said that Australia will regret this move. Apart from the Indo-Pacific, Modi and Macron also discussed other pressing global issues like the situation in Afghanistan, a looming global terror threat with the Taliban in power. The two leaders also agreed to hold regular discussions on climate change and to continue their joint actions against the COVID-19 pandemic. During the talks, France also welcomed India's decision to resume its vaccine deliveries to the United Nations COVAX program.
C'est un projet conscient.
And with us for more on these developments is our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, joining us from Washington, D.C. Siddhant, this is a very significant conversation coming at a crucial time in the backdrop of the AUKUS agreement. France and India discussing a wide range of issues. Take us through the key takeaways from that conversation that was held between the two leaders.
Well, Molly, yes, the conversation between the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the French President Emmanuel Macron basically centered around the Indo-Pacific vision in which France has a key stakeholdership. We also know that when the conversation happened, the focus was on many regional and global issues. We are in fact right now waiting for the Indian readout because the French readout has been released on the conversation. Interestingly, the Indian External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and the French Foreign Minister are going to have a bilateral later today in New York on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly, and this bilateral will in a sense will be an in-person meeting which will see conversation on many things. In fact, they recently spoke as well just few days ago, and this conversation coming in the backdrop of the AUKUS pact, as you pointed out. France, of course, is miffed with the development. And short while ago in New Delhi, we know the Indian Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla had a briefing as well on the Indian Prime Minister's Washington visit. But there were many questions on AUKUS, on how AUKUS could impact the Quad, which of course he dismissed, and whether India would be keen to join the AUKUS, which he said is a hypothetical question. But largely, it's not the worry about Quad, the shadow of AUKUS falling on Quad. It is the worry over the trilateral. India, Australia and France have a trilateral. This trilateral has been growing leaps and bounds in terms of official level, to the foreign ministers of all these three countries meeting on the sidelines of the G7 meeting, the foreign ministers meeting in London. And there were in fact plans of a trilateral later next month on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Italy. Now, of course, there can be fears over that trilateral not happening because, of course, France is miffed with the Australians. But largely, if you look at India-France relationship, this is another key relationship in New Delhi, and New Delhi has with its allies. And we know the French have been backing India at various global forums. In fact, when it comes to listing of Pakistan-based terrorists at the United Nations Security Council. The French backed the Indian proposal. They strongly backed it, were able to form the consensus. France, of course, is a P5 member country, a veto-holding member of the United Nations Security Council. So this is an alliance. This is a partnership which has also seen number of developments, specifically, of course, related to defense. Defense, of course, key pillar to this relationship. But largely, if we look at how things are panning out, it is the divide between France and, of course, these three AUKUS countries. It's obviously not going to impact India, but we also know that while the AUKUS was being announced, the Australians kept the Indians in the loop regarding the announcement at the highest level. The Australian Prime Minister speaking to the Indian Prime Minister, the Australian Foreign Minister and the Defence Minister also talking about it. So nonetheless, it is a changing geopolitics, and increasingly we have seen partnerships and plurilaterals coming.
Right. Thanks very much for those updates. For the moment, Siddhant Sibal getting us those inputs from Washington, D.C. Thanks very much. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.